The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the new and improved My Apps launch page, which has become much more user-friendly. There's now two ways to create folders. The first of which is to right-click on a blank spot of the launch page and click Add Folder. You can then give the folder a name. For the first video folder I'm going to add, I'm going to create a video app folder, and then you could change the color if you want. And the second way to create a folder is to go to the edit mode and click add folder. And I'll change the color of this one. You can change any or create your own. And this one I'm going to title Forms. Next, I'll show you how to move apps into those newly created folders. To move apps into folders, you no longer have to go into edit mode. There are two ways to move apps into folders. The first way is to right-click on an app and scroll down to add to folder, and then you can search for the folder, and this one will go into the video. The other way to do that is to click on the app until it's selected, and then you can go over to a folder, hover until it gets smaller, and then drop into that folder. Again, two ways to do it. Right-click, add to folder, select the correct folder, or hover over it, click, move it till it becomes smaller, and drop. Another nice organizational tool is the ability to move folders without going into the edit mode. So now if you click on a folder and wait till it's selected, you can move it and place it wherever you want so that you could organize your folders by use. Another new organizational tool is the ability to add favorites. To add favorites, you need to go to an app that you use frequently. For instance, I use Infinite Campus daily. I right-click and then scroll down to Add Favorites. You'll notice that it is now at the bottom of my screen, so anytime that I go to my Apps page, it's right there, so I don't have to look through it through folders. So one more time, you can hover over it, right-click, and add to favorites. Let's say you don't have that many apps or you don't like organizing your apps in folders. There's another way to complete the same task, and that's by adding tags. So if you see the upper right-hand corner right here, there's this little tag. You could click there and click Add Tag, and I'll just say Google will be my tag. And then I can create that tag. To add a tag to your app, you then go and hover over the app and right-click, and then you can add the tag and add Google. So I'll do this to several of these apps right here. And we'll go right there and add my tag to Google. Now, if I want to search for these apps, all I have to do is go to the search bar and type Google, and only those with the tag, would show up. So that's another way to organize the apps if you don't like folders. Next, we're going to look at customizing your My Apps launch page. There's three ways to get to the customization piece. One is to right-click on the blank space in your app's launch page and click Change Background. Another is to go to the edit mode, and you'll see some selections right there. And finally, you could go to your profile settings and look at themes. The first customization piece I'd like to look at is the theme. You have your classic, which is what I show right now. Then you have your primary, which is going to add large icons and larger folders, built mostly for elementary school kiddos. And finally, you'll have your professional, which will give you smaller folders, but then organize yourself on the left-hand side, and an expandable thing, more like our Google stuff. So again, that's the different types of themes. And to change the themes back, you can just click between them. Another customization piece is the app size. You could have small, default, or large. The next is font style. You would either have a text background or you could get some text shadow. Depending on your eyes and your background, you may want to choose one or the other. The palette is up at the top, so you could change the color of just the top.